Mayong gabi mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to another new lesson for today. So this lesson is part of the 100 verbs in Bisaya and English. So this is actually the first 20 verbs in that lesson with sample sentences in simple tense. Now, let's start. The prefixes in simple tense are the following. For past tense, we will use the prefixes ni or nag or ga. Nag or ga are just a short form of naga. For present tense, we normally use the prefix nag or ga, the short form of naga. Some verbs will use nang and na prefixes in past and present tense. For future tense, we will use mag and mo. The prefix mag indicates longer duration of the action, while the prefix mo indicates immediate completion of the action. Some verbs will use both. I will show you how to use these in our sample sentences. Let's start. Tanaw, watch or look. Past tense, ni tanaw, watched. Ni tanaw, watched. I watched a movie. Ni tanaw ko og salida. Ni tanaw ko og salida. Our verb is ni tanaw. Subject is ko. Object marker is og. Our object is salida. The og here is like a or an in the English language. I is ko, watch ni tanaw. A is og, movie salida. Again, I watch a movie. Ni tanaw ko og salida. Next, present tense. Nagtanaw, watching. Nagtanaw, watching. I'm watching a movie. Nagtanaw ko og salida. Nagtanaw ko og salida. Watching, nagtanaw. A is og, movie salida. Future tense, magtanaw or mu tanaw, will watch. Magtanaw or mu tanaw, will watch. I will watch a movie. Mutanaw ko og salida. Mutanaw ko og salida. Will watch is mu tanaw. Again, a is og and movie is salida. Let's recall. Past is ni tanaw, watched. Present, nag tanaw, watching. Future, mag tanaw or mu tanaw, will watch. Next, adto, go. Past, ni adto, went. I went to the store. Ni adto ko sa tindahan. Ni adto ko sa tindahan. Our verb here is ni adto. Ko is our subject. Sa is like our preposition to. Tindahan is our destination. Went is ni adto. To is sa. Store is tindahan. Niadto ko sa tindahan. Present, padulong, going. This is a variation present tense. We've decided to use padulong, which is going. We are going to the beach. Padulong mi sa dagat. We are going to the beach. Padulong mi sa dagat. Padulong is our verb. Mi is our subject. Mi is a short form of kami. Sa is our preposition. Dagat is our destination. We is kami going, padulong, to the store, sa tindahan. Mga higala, you can now get the complete set of these 100 verbs, Bisaya and English. There is also Bisaya, Tagalog, English if you want. So these are available on my online store on my website. I'm offering digital products for now. For this lesson, it has more than 4 hours of audios. So PDF files are provided, unlimited test yourself, and unlimited matching games. You can do that on the site. Just in case, if you want to order the actual laminated flashcards, just contact me via the chat box on my site so that we can discuss more on the details. So I will leave the link of my online store at the description box. So if you're interested, go head over to my online store. Let's go back to the lesson. Future tense. We will use moadto, will go. Moadto, will go. I will go to the store later. Moadto ko sa tindahan unya. Moadto ko sa tindahan unya. Moadto is our verb, ko subject, sa preposition, tindahan is the destination. Unya, this is our adverb of time. Let's break it down. Will go is moadto. To the is sa. Store is tindahan. Later is unya. Muadto ko sa tindahan unya. I will go to the store later. Let's recall. Past tense. Niadto, went. Present, padulong, going. This is a variation. Future is moadto, will go. Next, inom, drink. Inom, drink. Past tense, ni inom, drank. I drank medicine. Ni inom ko og tambal. I drank medicine. Ni inom ko og tambal. Our verb here is ni inom. Ko again is our subject. Og object marker. And our object here is tambal, medicine. Let's break it down. Drunk is ni inom. Medicine is tambal. Present tense. Nag-inom. Some will use ga-inom, which means drinking. I'm drinking water. Nag-inom ko og tubig. Nag-inom ko og tubig. Drinking is nag-inom. Water is tubig. Future tense. Mo-inom, will drink. Mo-inom, will drink. I will drink coffee. Mo-inom ko og kape. Mo-inom ko og kape. Will drink, mo-inom. Coffee is kape. Let's recall. Past tense, ni inom, drunk. Present tense, nag-inom or ga-inom, drinking. Future tense, mo inom, will drink. Next, abot, arrive. Abot, arrive. Past tense, ni abot, arrived. Past tense, ni abot, arrived. I arrived earlier. Ni abot ko ganina. Ni abot ko ganina. Arrived is ni abot. I is ko. Earlier is ganina. Our verb is niabot, subject is ko, and ganina is our adverb of time. Next, present tense. Abot, arriving. Padung na mi abot. Padung na mi abot. We are now arriving. Padung abot is arriving. Na is now. Mi is we or us. Mi is a short form of kami. One more time. Padung na mi abot. We are now arriving. Future tense. Mo abot. Will arrive. Future tense. Mo abot. Will arrive. I will arrive later this afternoon. I will arrive later this afternoon. Moabot ko unyang hapon. Moabot ko unyang hapon. I is ko, will arrive is moabot. Later is unya. This afternoon, hapon. Later this afternoon is unyang hapon. Let's recall. Abot, arrive. Past tense, ni abot, arrived. Present tense, abot, arriving. Future tense, mo abot, will arrive. Next, kaon, eat. Kaon, eat. Past, nikaon, which means ate. I already ate. Nikaon na ko. I already ate. Nikaon na ko. Ate is nikaon. Our adverb of time is already. Na. Already. Na. And then our subject is ko, which is I. Next, present, nagkaon, eating. Nagkaon, eating. I'm eating bread. Nagkaon ko og pan. I'm eating bread. Nagkaon ko og pan. Eating is nagkaon. Bread is pan. Future, mokaon, will eat. Mokaon, will eat. I will eat later. Mokaon ko unya. I will eat later. Mokaon ko unya. Will eat is mokaon. Later is unya. Let's recall. Past, ni kaon, ate. Present, nagkaon, eating. Future, mo kaon, will eat. Next, ligo, bath. Ligo, bath. Past tense, naligo, bathed. I bathed earlier. Naligo ko ganina. I bathed earlier. Naligo ko ganina. Bathe is naligo. Earlier is ganina. Present, naligo, taking a bath. Naligo, taking a bath. I'm taking a bath now. Naligo ko karon. I'm taking a bath now. Naligo ko karon. Taking a bath is naligo. Now, our adverb of time is karon. Now, karon. Future tense. Maligo, will take a bath. Maligo, will take a bath. I will take a bath later. Maligo ko unya. I will take a bath later. Maligo ko unya. Will take a bath. Maligo. Later is unya. Let's recall. Past, naligo, bathe. Present, naligo, taking a bath. Future, maligo, will take a bath. Next, sulat, write. Sulat, write. Past, ni sulat, wrote. Ni sulat, wrote. I wrote a book. Ni sulat ko og libro. Ni sulat ko og libro. Wrote is ni sulat. A is og. Book is libro. I wrote a book. Ni sulat ko og libro. Present. Nagsulat, writing. Nagsulat, writing. I'm writing a list now. Nagsulat ko karon og listahan. I'm writing a list now. Nagsulat ko karon og listahan. Writing is nagsulat. A is og. List is listahan. Now is karon. Our adverb of time here is now, which means karon. Future tense. Magsulat or musulat. Will write. I will write a poem. Magsulat ko og balak. Magsulat ko og balak. Will write, magsulat. A is og. Poem is balak. Balak. You can use mag or mo in the future tense of sulat. If you want to emphasize that you will write immediately, use mo sulat. Let's recall. Past, ni sulat, wrote. Present, nagsulat, writing. Future, magsulat or musulat, will write. Next, basa. Basa, read. Past tense, ni basa, read. Ni basa, read. I read a book. Ni basa ko og libro. I read a book. Ni basa ko og libro. Ni basa, read. A is og, book is libro. Past tense, ni basa, read. Ni basa, read. Present tense, nagbasa, reading. Nagbasa, reading. I'm reading a book. Nagbasa ko og libro. I'm reading a book. Nagbasa ko og libro. Reading is nagbasa. Book is libro. Future, magbasa or mubasa. Will read. I will read comics. Magbasa ko og comics. Magbasa ko og comics. Will read is magbasa. And then comics is comics, okay? Let's recall. Past, ni basa, read. Present, nagbasa, reading. Future, magbasa or mubasa, will read. Next, dula, play. Dula, dula, play. Past, ni dula, played. Ni dula, played. I played earlier. Ni dula ko ganina. I played earlier. Ni dula ko ganina. Played is ni dula. Earlier is ganina. Nagdula, playing. I'm playing the computer. Computer. Nagdula ko sa computer. Playing is nagdula. I is ko. The computer is sa computer. Sa computer. The computer is sa computer. Sa computer. Future tense. Magdula or mudula, will play. I will play badminton. Magdula ko og badminton. Magdula is will play. Ko is I, and we know what is badminton. Let's recall. Past, ni dula, played. Present, nagdula, playing. Future, magdula or mudula, will play. Next, dagan, run. Dagan, run. Past tense, ni dagan, ran. Ni dagan, ran. Nidagan ko padulong sa balay. I ran towards the house. Nidagan ko padulong sa balay. I ran towards the house. Nidagan, ran. Ko is I. Padulong, towards. Sa balay is the house. Present, nagdagan. Nagdagan, running. I'm running towards the jeep. Nagdagan ko padulong sa jeep. I'm running towards the jeep. Nagdagan ko padulong sa jeep. Running, nagdagan. Towards, padulong. I is ko. The jeep is sa jeep. Future, mudagan, will run. I will just run. I'll just run. Mudagan lang ko. I will just run. Mudagan lang ko. Will run is mudagan. Just is lang. And then I is ko. Let's recall. Past, nidagan, ran. Present, nagdagan, running. Future, mudagan, will run. Next, ilis, change. Ilis, change. Past, ni ilis, changed. Ni ilis, change. I changed my clothes. Ni ilis ko og sinina. Ni ilis ko og sinina. Change is ni ilis. I is ko, and then clothes is sinina. Next, present, nag-ilis, changing. I'm changing the decoration. Nag-ilis ko sa dekorasyon. I'm changing the decoration. Nag-ilis ko sa dekorasyon. Changing, nag-ilis. I is ko. The decoration is sa dekorasyon. Future. Mag-ilis, will change. I will change shoes. Mag-ilis ko og sapatos. I'll change shoes. Mag-ilis ko og sapatos. Will change, mag-ilis. Shoes is sapatos. I is ko. Let's recall. Past, ni ilis, changed. Present, nag-ilis, changing. Future, mag-ilis, will change. Next, sayaw, dance. Sayaw, dance. Past, ni sayaw, danced. Ni sayaw, danced. I danced last night. Nisayaw ko gabi. I danced last night. Nisayaw ko gabi. Dance, nisayaw. Last night, gabi. I is ko. Present, nagsayaw, dancing. I'm dancing right now. I'm dancing right now. Nagsayaw ko karon. Nagsayaw ko karon. I is ko. Dancing, nagsayaw. Right now is karon. Let's go to future tense. Musayaw, will dance. I will dance at the party. Musayaw ko sa party. Musayaw ko sa party. I is ko. Will dance is musayaw. At the party is sa party. Sa party. Let's recall. Sayaw is dance. Past tense, ni sayaw, dance. Present tense, nagsayaw, dancing. Future, mo sayaw, will dance. Next, lingkod, sit. Lingkod, sit. Past, ni lingkod, sat. I sat down because my feet were tired. Nilingkod ko kay kapoy akong tiil. Nilingkod ko kay kapoy akong tiil. Sat down is nilingkod. Because is kay. My feet, akong tiil. My feet, akong tiil. Tired is kapoy. I sat down because my feet were tired. Nilingkod ko kay kapoy akong tiil. Nilingkod ko kay kapoy akong tiil. Let's go to present. Naglingkod, sitting. Naglingkod, sitting. I'm sitting outside. Naglingkod ko sa gawas. I'm sitting outside. Naglingkod ko sa gawas. Naglingkod ko sa gawas. Sitting is naglingkod. Outside is sa gawas. Future, maglingkod or mo lingkod. Will sit. I will sit there. Molingkod ko didto. Molingkod ko didto. I will sit there. Molingkod ko didto. Will sit is molingkod. There is didto. I is ko. I will sit there. Molingkod ko didto. Let's recall. Lingkod is sit. Past, nilingkod. Sat. Present, naglingkod. Sitting. Future, maglingkod. Or molingkod. Will sit. Let's go to barog, which means stand. Barog, stand. Past, ni barog. Past, ni barog. Stood. I stood up. Ni barog ko. I stood up. Ni barog ko. Stood up is ni barog. I is ko. Present. Nagbarog. Standing. Nagbarog. Standing. I'm just standing here. I'm just standing here. Nagbarog ra ko diri. Nagbarog ra ko diri. Nagbarog ra ko diri. I is ko. Just is ra. Standing is nagbarog. Here is diri. I'm just standing here. Nagbarog ra ko diri. Future tense, magbarog or mubarog. Will stand. Future tense is magbarog or mubarog. Will stand. I will stand here. Magbarog ko diri. Magbarog ko diri. I will stand here. Magbarog ko diri. I is ko. Will stand is magbarog. Here is diri. Let's recall. Barog is stand. Past tense, ni barog. Stood. Present, nagbarog. Standing. Future, magbarog or mubarog. Will stand. Next, tago is hide. Tago, hide. Past tense, ni tago, hid. Past tense, ni tago, hid. I hid under the bed. Nitago ko ilalom sa katre. I hid under the bed. Nitago ko ilalom sa katre. I is ko, hid is nitago. Under is ilalom. Ilalom. The bed is sa katre. I hid under the bed. Nitago ko ilalom sa katre. Present tense, nagtago, hiding. Present tense, nagtago, hiding. I'm hiding extra money. Nagtago ko og extra nga kwarta. Again, nagtago ko og extra nga kwarta. Regular pace, nagtago ko og extra nga kwarta. Nagtago ko og extra nga kwarta. I'm hiding extra money. I here is ko, hiding is nagtago. Extra money is extra nga kwarta. Future tense, mo tago, will hide. I will hide now. Motago na ko. Motago na ko. I will hide now. Motago na ko. I is ko, will hide is motago. Now is na. Let's recall. Past tense, ni tago, hid. Present tense, nagtago, hiding. Future tense, mo tago, will hide. Next, luto, cook. Luto, cook. Past tense, nagluto, cooked. Nagluto, cooked. I cook fried rice for breakfast. Nagluto ko og sinangag para pamahaw. Again, nagluto ko og sinangag para pamahaw. Regular pace. Nagluto ko og sinangag para pamahaw. Let's break this down. I is ko and cooked is nagluto. Fried rice is sinangag. For is para. Breakfast is pamahaw. Pamahaw. One more time. I cook fried rice for breakfast. Nagluto ko og sinangag para pamahaw. Present tense. Nagluto. Cooking. Nagluto. Cooking. I'm cooking humba. Nagluto ko og humba. I'm cooking humba. Nagluto ko og humba. Cooking is nagluto. Humba is a very popular pork dish here in the Visayas areas. Future tense. Magluto or muluto. Will cook. I will cook vegetable. Magluto ko og utan. I will cook vegetable. Magluto ko og utan. Will cook is magluto. Will cook is magluto. Vegetable is utan. I will cook vegetable. Magluto ko og utan. Let's recall. Past tense for luto is nagluto. Cooked. Present tense, nagluto. Cooking. Future tense, magluto or muluto. Will cook. Next, dala. Bring. Dala. Bring. Past tense, ni dala. Brought. Ni dala. Brought. I brought fruits. Ni dala ko og prutas. Ni dala ko og prutas. Brought is ni dala. Prutas is fruits. I brought fruits. Ni dala ko og prutas. Present tense. Nagdala. Bringing. Present tense. Nagdala. Bringing. Nagdala ko og kwarta. I'm bringing money. Nagdala ko og kwarta. I'm bringing money. Nagdala is bringing, ko is I, and kwarta is money. Future tense, magdala or modala, will bring. Magdala ko og pagkaon. I will bring food. Magdala ko og pagkaon. I will bring food. Magdala will bring, ko is I, pagkaon is food. One more time. I will bring food. Magdala ko og pagkaon. Let's recall. Dala is bring. Past tense, nidala, brought. Present tense, nagdala, bringing. Future tense, magdala or modala, will bring. Next one, laba, laundry. Laba, laundry. Past tense, nang laba, did the laundry. Nang laba ko sa akong sinina gabii. I washed my clothes last night. One more time. Nang laba ko sa akong sinina gabii. Regular pace. Nang laba ko sa akong sinina gabii. Nang laba ko sa akong sinina gabii. I washed my clothes last night. Let's break this down. Nang laba is washed. Ko is I. Akong is my. Sinina is clothes. Gabii is last night. Nang laba ko sa akong sinina gabii. I washed my clothes last night. Present tense, nang laba, doing the laundry. Present tense, nang laba, doing the laundry. Nang laba pa ko. I'm still doing the laundry. Nang laba pa ko. I'm still doing the laundry. Regular pace, nang laba pa ko. Nang laba pa ko. Nang laba, doing the laundry. Pa is still. Ko is I. Nang laba pa ko, I'm still doing the laundry. Future tense, mang laba, will do the laundry. Future tense, mang laba, will do the laundry. Mang laba ko ugma, I will do the laundry tomorrow. Mang laba ko ugma, I will do the laundry tomorrow. Mang laba is will do the laundry. Ko is I. Ugma is tomorrow. Let's recall. Laba, laundry. Past, nang laba, did the laundry. Present, nang laba, doing the laundry. You may notice past and present are just the same. The difference in the past tense, it has adverb of time in the past. Future, mang laba, will do the laundry. Let's go to hilak. Hilak, cry. Hilak, cry. Past, ni hilak, cried. Ni hilak, cried. Nihilak ko ganina. I cried earlier. Nihilak ko ganina. I cried earlier. Nihilak is cried. Ganina is earlier. And then ko is I. Present tense. Naghilak, crying. Naghilak, crying. Naghilak siya. She is crying. Naghilak siya. She is crying. Naghilak is crying. Siya is he or she. Naghilak siya. He or she is crying. Next, future tense. Maghilak. Mo hilak. Will cry. Future tense. Maghilak or muhilak. Will cry. Muhilak ko kung imo kong biyaan. I will cry if you will leave me. Muhilak ko kung imo kong biyaan. I will cry if you will leave me. Let's break this down. Muhilak, will cry. We know ko already. Kung is if. Kung is if. Imo is you. Ko is me. There is an ng here. This is the nga linker. Next, biyaan. One more time. Muhilak ko kung imo kong biyaan. I will cry if you leave me. I will cry if you leave me. Muhilak ko kung imo kong biyaan. Now, let's recall. Hilak, cry. Past tense, ni hilak, cried. Present tense, naghilak, crying. Future, maghilak or muhilak, will cry. Next, ayo, fix. Ayo, fix. Past tense, ni ayo, fixed. Ni ayo, fixed. Kinsay ni ayo. Kinsay ni ayo. Who fixed it? Kinsay ni ayo. Who fixed it? Kinsa or kinsay is who. Ni ayo, fixed. Kinsay ni ayo. Who fixed it? Present, nag-ayo, fixing. Nag-ayo, fixing. Nag-ayo ko sa gripo. I'm fixing the faucet. Nag-ayo ko sa gripo. I'm fixing the faucet. Nag-ayo is fixing. The ko is I. Sa gripo is the faucet. Sa gripo is the faucet. One more time. Nag-ayo ko sa gripo. I'm fixing the faucet. Next, future tense. Mo ayo, will fix. Kinsay mo ayo sa lababo. Kinsay mo ayo sa lababo. Who will fix the sink? Kinsay is who. Mo ayo will fix. Sa lababo, the sink. Kinsay mo ayo sa lababo. Who will fix the sink? Okay, let's recall. Ayo is fix. Past tense, ni ayo, fixed. Present tense, nag-ayo, fixing. Future tense, mo ayo, will fix. Let's review the first 20 verbs out of 100. Let's start. Tanaw, watch or look. Adto, go. Inom, drink. Abot, arrive. Kaon, eat. Ligo, bath. Sulat, write. Basa, read. Dula, play. Dagan, run. Ilis, change. Sayaw, dance. Lingkod, sit. Barog, stand. Tago, hide. Luto, cook. Dala, bring. Laba, laundry. Hilak, cry. Ayo, fix.